serious about saving lives, if your heart was crushed, if your heart was bleeding, if you were so sad about this facts of facts. So the Ashanti Regional Minister Frank Anodompreh has come under heavy criticism. Guys, the people of Ghana are not finding it funny at all. Guys, people are really slamming or insulting the hell out of the minister of Ashanti region. Guys, Frank Anodompreh is one of the youngest ministers or regional ministers appointed by President John Dramani Mahama. Guys, his youthful exuberance has shown so much in his delivery and his approach when it comes to leadership in the Ashanti region. Guys, the minister is known for social media. He has been on TikTok, very active on TikTok, I must say, to the extent that when he appears before the appointment committee, a question was asked to him, like, Mr. Minister, how are you going to balance your social media life with the ministry or the job at the ministry? His response was that he needs the social media people to shape him when it comes to working towards this, certain things, or they'll draw his attention to some issues that comes up within his region so that he can take immediate steps, blah, 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 blah. He articulated that so well. And he was so much applauded and appreciated and was subsequently passed. And now he is acting as a minister of Ashanti region and is almost 5 to 7 months in office. And like I said, the Ashanti region has become one of the vibrant regions in Ghana. Now, the minister, because he loves social media, all right, after the helicopter crashed and his attention was drawn to it at the event, which these honorable members, 8 people who died in this helicopter crash, guys, the minister rushed with his entourage to the forest. Guys, and now people are asking, this is a photo shoot. Guys, appreciate the picture in the background. This is a photo shoot, like pre-planned photo shoots. If you are indeed serious about saving lives, if your heart was crushed, if your heart was bleeding, if you were so sad about this news of seeing your fellow man on ground crushed in this manner, would you have had an opportunity to take a photo shoot? Bro, look at the picture, the pose, look at the pose, like it was intentionally taken. Now then some Ghanaians were like, we are in the era of AI. So probably somebody intentionally used AI to generate this particular image. As I speak, some Ghanaians are concerned. If indeed this is not an AI generated image, then the minister is not serious to begin with. This is what some Ghanaians are saying. This particular post came from Adjoa Enima. And the question she asked was, this must be AI generated. There's no way he had a photo shoot at the crash site. She cannot believe her eyes. Guys, immediately Adjoa Enima posted this image. Come and see the comment. Like, read with me. You have it on the screen. Read with me. Mameba comes with a comment and he reads, it's not AI. He went, I'm sure she's trying to say, he took this picture with his photo or videographers and editors. So it was intentionally taken. Essentially her point. Now we have Sophia Idi has to say, TikTok Minister of the Year, Jiwu2. She is trying to be sarcastic. There's no doubt about it. We are mourning, guys. I must remind you. Guys, Real Hack comes with a comment. This is a verified account. And it reads, he's showing working, mommy. There's another comment from Kwame Enzyme. And it reads, there were media men around, so maybe they took it and sent to him later. People are trying to come up with excuse because they seem not to understand why a whole minister of state in an incident such as this will have an opportunity to post to a camera, get it edited and post it. It becomes so weird because you should be crying at that point after seeing this. But this is a minister who took his time to take a picture, to post to the camera. My goodness. Let's run you through one of the comments and it reads, Kwajo Ofori Acha has a message and it reads, Obia Shada Aposi Echa picture. What's it then? AI. This is what Kwadwo Oforiatta has to say. I don't know what you think. Leave your comments. Leave your comments. Let me know what you also think about this. Does this make sense to you? Like, is this empathy enough? I don't know. I don't know what you think. Now there's a comment from Nana Kwame Nyame Aseda, and it reads, he did take a picture. It is not AI. Some are convinced that the minister intentionally took a picture. What do you think? Is this empathetic enough for you? Is this the right thing to do? Did the minister intentionally post to the camera? Guys, let me know what you think in the comments, because this is just not making sense to me. It is not at all. Now, Political Mavis comes with a comment, and he reads, he even posted videos of him climbing the mountain, and you are only talking about pictures. I'm even surprised he didn't stream live on TikTok. My goodness, Jiwu, our hardworking regional minister, Dr. Frank Anodompre. So Political Mavis seems not to be surprised. It looks like the ways of the minister, she has come to terms with it. She is okay. She's not surprised. And she's even saying that she's not, like, she seems not to understand why the minister, Frank Anodompre, was not on TikTok live. This sarcasm or is reality? Now there's one comment from Sumaila Dawuda. And it reads, now I know you the worry. Hey! Another one from Anita Louisa Minta, and it reads, sometimes they need to be coached. When you are hot, you even don't need to post pictures, or maybe some did. Are you insinuating or suggesting that the minister needs to be coached? Because this is a big role. But you understand the youthful exuberance is also part. I am trying to understand why the minister will act in this way. However, let's move on. King Throne has a point, and he reads, he did pa. In fact, he had a full content video there. Interesting. Guys, leave a comment. How do you feel about this? In a very tragic incident like this, and we have a whole minister who is a representative of the president, take time to post to the camera and post on his Facebook wall? Is that not too insensitive? My goodness. My goodness. There's another comment from Ernest Ohiniche, and he said, it's not. So in his point of view, this image is not AI generated. Guys, this message goes on and on and on and on. And Juliana comes in. She comes in with a comment, and he reads, if you criticize him, people will say that you are jealous. Oh, my goodness. Now, there's another comment that caught my attention, and it reads, this is not the very scene of the crash. It's on the way to the place. The photo is real. By then, he didn't post for it. He means he did not pose to the camera. So it was the photographers or videographers who took that image of him. This is Samuel Amabel. Let's run you through one more comment so that we come to the end of this particular video. But I would like to know what you think about this. There's the final comment, and it reads, at least this is better than asking people to come to your office when being asked of your achievements. So according to Kwame Anoche, this is the right way to go. You need to show people what you do as a minister. You do not have to ask people to come to your office for the evidence. The evidence is on social media. So in his point of view, minister or the Ashanti regional minister should keep on showing working. Job their ground. Show them the evidence on social media. This is Fact on Fact on Ghana Sem TV. Let me know what you think about this new development. Hit on the like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this new development. Signing out.